Meeps replaces a bunch of other apps. It's an alternative to Patreon, Substack, Gumroad, Memberful, MailChimp, Ghost, and many others. Let me show you how folks are using it. The first way people are using Meeps, and this is how I'm using Meeps, is to build community. I've been running this online community since 2013, and I used to have WordPress for the website. I used to have to use Memberful for billing. I used to have to use MailChimp for newsletters. And then there was all these other things I wanted to do, like have a membership directory. Now I can do all of that from Meeps. Look at this. So people can join if they want. I have a billing page here. It has all of my features, $299 one-time lifetime fee. Again, I've been doing this for a long time, and the community brings in about $25,000 a year in revenue. Nice little side hustle. All of the members get their own profile. I can click on any of these, see who that person is. I can click on a tag and see all of the people who have that particular skill. If I'm looking for a Tailwind developer, I can click on this tag and get a list of everybody who's good at Tailwind inside of my community. We've also been doing merch from the beginning, and now it's easy through our integration with Printful for folks to order, and Printful just prints it on demand. They select the colors they want, the size they want, they add it to their shopping cart, and Printful, once they pay, Printful takes care of the rest. They print it, ship it for you. It just works automatically. This has been really great for the Mega Maker community. People wear these shirts when they go to conferences, when they go to events and meetups. And we also have this list of everybody's project. Mega Maker is a community for bootstrappers and indie makers. And so people can add their project to this list. Really cool stuff. When a member logs in, they see this members screen, which can also be customized. In this case, they have access to the membership directory, member-only newsletters. So instead of using MailChimp to send these out, I can send them from Meeps and also get this online version, which members can only access. You can embed tweets and video. It's like having a blog and MailChimp together. And we also have all of our community links here. So this here will get me into the private Slack just for members. This here will get me into the forums. And I can also view my own profile. I can edit my own profile. It's all right here. And instead of having to have it in different places and on different systems, I have it all right here. Really, really helpful. Replacing WordPress has also been super helpful. For example, I can now go serving indie makers since 2013, and this will automatically update on the marketing site. So if I sign out now, my subheadline is there. There's no need to have all of these different tools if you are building a paid membership or a paid community. What are some other examples of people building community on Meeps? Well, I help run Transistor.fm, which is a podcast hosting application. And we wanted to build a community on the side. We wanted to leverage, the power of community. And so we've created a online community for podcasters. People can go here. They can join for free. There's no cost. We've made it free. And we have the benefits listed here. You get membership profile in the public directory and access to our Discord server. And we're also using that Printful integration I showed you, to sell Transistor merch. So if people want to buy a t-shirt from us, or if we want to send a t-shirt as a free gift, we can do that through this Meeps integration. Let me show you what it looks like for members. They sign in. Welcome back. Again, you can put anything you want here on this page. You can customize it. And now they have this link to the private Discord chat. They click on this. It opens up Discord, automatically invites them if they are not already a member. And now they have access to all of our channels here. Share gear photos, share tips. And this helps you to use existing tools like Discord and Slack. Often it's a better idea to go wherever people are already using those apps. If they have Slack open all day, just use Slack. Don't try to create another chat app. And what Meeps provides is the hub for your community, even if you're building it for free, because now we can also have a member directory with all the different folks. People, again, can filter by skill set. Here's all the podcast editors. People want to see, they're looking for a podcast producer. Here's all the podcast producers. And you can also send email newsletters, create these public lists. Very helpful for building a free community on the side if that's what you're looking to do. One more example here. This is another Meeps user, and they're building a private community for funders raising capital. And when you sign into this community, she has all of these resources just for members listed here that people can access from the community members site. And of course, a member directory, a company directory, which is really interesting. You can also list companies, of course, a newsletter, and a link to that Discord chat where people can chat about fundraising, government grants, all of these other things. All sorts of creative ways you can use Meeps to build your business, make money online, create a community, create an online store, build a membership site. You can also use it to run early access for your SaaS company, for your software product. If you're building something and you want to be able to charge early access users, that's exactly what we're doing here with Meeps. We're using Meeps to build an early access customer list for Meeps. And so folks can join here. They can pay the early access plan and they get all these benefits. And we're using this to run our entire early access program. Here in this product journal section, Josh is posting updates for early access users. Here are new features that are being released. We're keeping in contact with members and the public. Here on the newsletter page, we're publishing different articles and sending these out as newsletters to people on the waiting list and early access customers. We're using the homepage builder for our website. Let me show you how that works. So let's say I want to change the headline. The best way to build an online community. Just type that in there, go back, head over to the public site, updates it right there. No reason to use a third-party page builder. You can run your whole early access campaign right here from Meeps. We've listed all of our features. We have a place for people to join the waiting list. The possibilities are endless. Let me show you one more use case. It's a Substack, MailChimp alternative. You can run a paid newsletter using Meeps. So over here in the membership plans section, you can create a new membership plan. And let's say this is for the paid newsletter. And you want to charge $15 a month. Just save that. And now you have a paid newsletter that's really better than what you would have on Substack because you have all of these other features available to you, including the ability to create sponsorship plans. So if you want your free version of your newsletter to have sponsors, you can charge for sponsorships. Want to charge, I don't know, $500 per month? You can do that. Want to charge $1,000 a year? You can do that. By the way, the billing on Meeps is all powered by Stripe. You just integrate with your existing Stripe account, and instead of spending 5 to 12% on platforms like Patreon and Memberful, you get to keep all that money. You just connect it to Stripe. You only pay the Stripe payment processing fees, and that allows you to do all of this billing. Subscription plans, monthly or yearly, one-time payments, merch store, and sponsorship plans all run on Stripe, and you can create them as easy as clicking a button. There are so many ways people are already using Meeps to run their business or to create a new business or to build community or to send an email newsletter, and we'd love to have you try it. You can go to meeps.app and join today.